our webinar, Ensuring Sustainability for the Industry for Youth Workers. I'm Zita Bertha, an Associate Professor in STEM Education and Leadership. Anita Philson, an expert in youth education, is joining me. Hi, Anita. It's great to have you here today. You've had a fascinating journey from working with children and youth to setting up your yoga business. Could you start by sharing a bit about your background?
Thank you, Zita. I'm really excited to be here. Yes, my background is in youth work, where I focused on implementing non-formal learning activities. And then I started my yoga business called Calm Yoga a few years ago and recently became a full-time yoga instructor.
Oh, congratulations on an amazing achievement. Tell us about the advantages of running your own business.
Yes, so running my own yoga business has been a wonderful experience. One of the biggest advantages is flexibility that it offers. I can decide my own working hours, choose my clients I want to work with, and tailor my services to meet the needs. This autonomy allows me to create a work-life balance that suits me, which is incredibly valuable. Additionally, my background is in non-formal learning that has influenced how I run my business. I use a client-centered approach, similar to the methods I used with the youth. I listen to my clients' needs and goals and help them to plan their yoga practice accordingly. This approach makes the sessions more effective and empowers my clients to take charge in their wellness journey.
That sounds amazing. So how do you see the circular economy business model principles fitting into your yoga business and your approach to non-formal learning?
Yeah, so this circular economy business model is about sustainability and resource efficiency, which aligns well with my yoga business and approach to non-formal learning. My yoga business focuses on sustainability by using eco-friendly products such as natural rubber and cork mats. We avoid single-use plastic by encouraging clients to bring their reusable water bottles as well. We also manage waste by composing organic materials and recycling them whenever possible. In non-formal learning, resource efficiency is emphasized by using materials and design activities. For example, I always buy materials and equipment designed to be durable and reusable, reducing the need for constant replacement. Moreover, promoting sustainable practices in youth work helps young people understand the importance of environmental stewardship from early age. This awareness can lead to a lifetime of sustainable habits and choices, contributing to a more sustainable future.
It sounds like you're really dedicated to minimizing waste, which I love hearing. In the circular business model, sustainability is creating systems supporting long-term environmental, economic, and social health. So ensuring sustainability for the industry means integrating practices and strategies that promote long-term environmental, economic, and social well-being within business operations. In the context of the circular business design model that involves resource efficiency, product lifecycle management, waste minimization, sustainable sourcing, business model innovation, customer engagement, collaboration and partnerships, staying informed about and complying with environmental regulations and standards, leveraging technology to enhance all of the aspects I just mentioned, implementing metrics to track progress on circular economy goals, and regularly reporting on sustainability performance to stakeholders. And finally, fostering a corporate culture that values sustainability and circular practices. So it's important to provide training and development opportunities to ourselves if we are entrepreneurs, and to our colleagues, to our staff members, to our employees, to build circular economy competences within the organization. If we are just like a solopreneurs, then it's important to educate our customers, so they will be our external customers, just like you do, Anita, in your business with the cork mats or rubber mats and then all the other practices that you just mentioned. So basically a lot goes into shifting to circular economy. And youth leaders need to consider all this above that I just mentioned in running their youth organizations effectively. So how do these practices you employ in your yoga business and youth work relate to the broader concept of ensuring industry sustainability, especially within the circular business design model?
I always choose durable, repairable, and sustainable products. This method ensures that we extend the life of our resources and reduce the need for constant replacement. This aligns with the product's lifecycle management, one of the key aspects of the circular business model. Such materials may seem more expensive initially. However, based on the life cycle, they are more cost-effective in the long run.
Oh, that's a great point. We all like to get value for our money, that's for sure. So how do you engage your customers in these sustainable practices?
Customer engagement is crucial. In youth work, we educate youth about the environmental impact of their choices and encourage them to participate in our recycling and composting programs. We also offer workshops on sustainable living and wellness, helping them integrate these principles in their daily lives.
It's wonderful to see how you're fostering a culture of sustainability. How does your approach to running your yoga business tie into your background in youth work and non-formal learning methods?
My experience with youth work has been invaluable. Methods like Montessori and HighScope emphasize active learning and personal responsibility, which I have adapted to my business. For example, as these methods encourage children and youth to learn through hands-on experience, I actively encourage my yoga clients to participate in our sustainability initiatives. This supports their personal growth and builds a stronger, more engaged community around the business.
That's wonderful. Can you explain more about how these non-formal learning methods you just mentioned work and why they are beneficial?
Of course, Montessori method focuses on self-directed activity, hands-on learning, and collaborative learning. It helps youth develop independence and problem-solving skills. The HighScope method, on the other hand, uses a plan-do-review cycle where youth make plans, carry them out, and then reflect on their experiences. This fosters a sense of responsibility.
Okay, thank you so much. How do these methods benefit youth and why should youth workers implement them?
These methods benefit youth by promoting active learning, critical thinking, and self-efficiency. They learn to make decisions and solve problems, essential skills for personal and professional success. Implementing these methods can create a more engaging and empowering learning environment for youth workers, helping young people develop the confidence they are needed to thrive in a sustainable economy.
That's amazing. How do your flexible working hours and the ability to choose your clients as a yoga business owner contribute to sustainability?
Flexible working hours and selecting clients who share my values allow me to maintain a work-life balance and ensure that my business practices align with my sustainability goals. It also enables me to create a more personalized and meaningful experience for my clients, a key aspect of the circular business model's value proposition. By focusing on quality over quantity, I can run a sustainable business that benefits the environment and my community.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much, Anita, for sharing your insights and experiences. So these are great to adopt to any youth worker organization, or just as an individual as well. Your approach to non-formal learning and sustainable business practices can serve as a valuable model for others looking to implement circular economy principles. So thank you for that.
Thank you very much, Zita. It's been a pleasure discussing these important topics, and I hope more businesses and educators will embrace sustainability in their practices.
I hope so. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you enjoy this session. Bye-bye.
Bye.